Here we have a Seat Leon, and we installed a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. Now, this immobilisation is needed because this car is completely keyless, as you can see, and this key is the same as what you see on Volkswagens. Being a Seat, it's the same as that, it's part of the VAR group. So, with the Ghost 2, you don't have to carry anything with you to actually immobilise the vehicle. What you have to do is enter a code that's preset, and this code you could change. So basically, as a customer, when we give it to a customer, we make it very simple, and then they could change it to whatever code they want it to be, and then keep it to themselves. So without that code, you cannot drive this vehicle. So it doesn't matter if your keys got stolen, cloned, whatever, it doesn't really matter. They cannot steal the car. It will be immobilised. So what you have to do is basically turn the ignition on, enter your code, wait for the 2 flashes, and then you can start it and drive it. Simple as that. So the best thing to do is just quickly show you how that works. So if you actually come in, so if you just go around to the passenger side and take a seat. Right, so if I try to start the vehicle up without the code, I just want to show how it is. Now this is a hybrid vehicle, so when I do turn it on, it's going on the battery rather than the actual petrol engine. So that's why it's not making any noise. So now it's ready to drive. If I put it into gear and actually physically try to drive it, it locks it. So it's not moving. I can't move it. And I put it into neutral. It no longer goes into any gears. So what I need to do is actually enter the code. So I'll turn the ignition on, enter the code. And what you get 2 indicator flashes. Once you've got that, and now you could start the vehicle up. So what I've got now. So now if I want to put it into drive or reverse, I can. It now moves. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is enter the code, wait for the 2 flashes, and you could drive it. So this is a Seat Leon, and we installed the Ghost 2 Immobiliser.